Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Ultra Hybrid 01 case from Spigen for iPhone 14 Pro. MagFit, designed for MagSafe. Look within your iPhone without tearing it up while protecting it from drops, scratches and boring looks. So let's open the box and find out more about this product, install it to my iPhone and see how it looks. Make it MagSafe. Some products from Spigen. Wow, it looks nice. Made from blend of PC and TPU for durability. High quality and durable print via DTP. It is amazing. I like it. Well, let's install my iPhone. Wow, it fits perfect. It looks great. Raised edges for screen and camera protection. Here. Yep, correct. The button, easy to access. And here, the port, and it feels nice to my hand. Military grade drop protection via air cushion technology. Around here. Compatible with wireless charging and MagSafe accessories. So there it is, it's charging. Well, what can I say? It looks great. Definitely now my phone is not boring. A16 hexa-core, and you can see how it looks an iPhone without tearing it up. It looks great. Well, my viewers, if you need that kind of case for your iPhone 14 Pro, I think you will enjoy having this case. When you are making a call, anyone can see at the back how it looks. So until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.